So maybe like me, you've got a toddler who loves to push in the tweeter and the caps of your speakers. I'll just show you a way that you can pop them out. Now these have been pushed in before and they are a little wrinkled, so this isn't going to be good as new, but it's going to be better than this. As you can see, they are really rammed in there. So I'll just show you. All I'm going to do is going to take my shop vac and vacuum them out carefully. So we'll see how it goes. There. So can you just hold out the speaker there? And I showed you. So it's gonna get a bit loud, so just push it up to it and you let the suction pop it out. And that's how you do it. As you maybe saw with this one here on the woofer, I did have more difficulty with that. If it doesn't work with your vacuum, you can also put some tape on it and try to pull it out. This cone here is kind of made of fabric or something, so more air passes through it, but depending on what you have, the vacuum should work great. As you can see, still got a few dents in there. Those are probably never going to go away. But that's a quick way of getting them looking somewhat better. Cheers. Hope this helps.